Welcome back to another video. Today we will be downloading the Chia application onto a Windows computer. Let's go ahead and dive right on in here. First we want to go to a web browser. Yes, shame on me, I'm going to be using Edge here. Once we have this open, we're going to go right down here and we are going to type in Chia download. So there's two areas where we can get the Chia application. This here is one of them. The chia.net/download. This here will be in the description here. And the other location as well is you can actually go to GitHub and we can download the latest version from here. And this here will also be in the description. So we're just gonna go ahead and we'll go to the top one here. And what we're gonna do is we're going to select Windows here and it will start the download. And it might take a moment since I'm on a virtual machine. Alright, now that it has been downloaded, what we're going to do is we'll just close out of here. We'll go to File Explorer, Downloads, and we're going to double click right here. And we'll close that window. And it may take a moment once again since I'm on a virtual machine, not the fastest thing. But we should start seeing the Chia loading screen. There we go. And this here is installing all the stuff that we will be using. Alright, and there you go. We now have the Chia GUI installed. And we do want to allow access here and allow access there. And that wraps up getting Chia installed on a Windows computer. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and please consider liking and hitting that subscribe button so you can stay updated on Chia videos, tutorials, and troubleshooting.